Hey boys and girls, I know I met with a lot of you this week and I said I would add another book to our Google Classroom. This one's called The Wise Blackbird and it's by Anne Gadzikowski and illustrated by Amanda Hall. So I'm going to go through the pages and I'm not going to say anything so you can read on your own. If I go too fast, you can always just pause this if it takes you a little extra time. And then at the end, I'll read it to you and if you're good with the book and you don't need to hear me read it, that's fine. You can just end it. If you'd like to hear me read it, then you can just listen to it at the end. All right, you ready? The Wise Blackbird. All right, I hope you like that story. If you'd like to hear me read it, stick around. If not, you can just end the video right here. And I'm going to read The Wise Blackbird by Ann Gadzikowski and illustrated by Amanda Hall. Once there was a bluebird who liked to brag. He looked at the sky, he looked at his wings, and he smiled. "How fine I look," thought the bluebird. "I'm as blue as the sky." The bluebird flew high and low in the blue sky. The bluebird saw a mouse. "Hello," said the bluebird to the mouse. "It is a beautiful day, isn't it?" "Yes, it is a beautiful day," said the mouse. "The sky is a beautiful blue." "I am blue too," said the bluebird. "I am beautiful like the blue sky." "Oh," said the mouse, "I am not blue. I am gray. I am not the color of the sky." The bluebird laughed and flew away. The bluebird saw a flamingo. "Hello," said the bluebird. "It is a beautiful day, isn't it?" "Yes," said the flamingo. "It is a fine and sunny day." "Look at the beautiful blue sky," said the bluebird. "I am blue like the sky." "I am pink," said the flamingo. "Blue is better than pink," bragged the bluebird. "Blue is the color of the sky." "Oh," said the flamingo, "I am not the color of the sky." The flamingo was angry. He flew away without saying goodbye. The bluebird looked up. He saw a blackbird at the top of the tree. "Hello," said the bluebird. "It is a beautiful day, isn't it?" "Yes, it is," said the blackbird. "I am blue like the sky," said the bluebird. "I am not blue," said the blackbird. "I am black." "Blue is better than black," bragged the bluebird. "Blue is the color of the sky." The blackbird was wise. "Yes, blue is beautiful," he said. "Blue is the color of the sky. But the sky is not always blue. Sometimes it is gray like a mouse. Sometimes it is pink like a flamingo. Sometimes it is black like me." The bluebird was surprised. "When is the sky gray like a mouse?" he asked. "The sky is gray on a cloudy day," said the blackbird. "It is as gray as a mouse." "When is the sky pink like a flamingo?" asked the bluebird. "The sky is pink at sunset," said the blackbird. "It is as pink as a flamingo." "When is the sky black like you are?" asked the bluebird. "The sky is black at night when the stars are shining," said the blackbird. "It is as black as I am." The bluebird thought and thought. He thought about the gray mouse and the sky on a cloudy day. He thought about the pink flamingo and the sky at sunset. He thought about the blackbird and the sky at night. "You are right," he said to the blackbird. "A mouse is as gray as the sky. A flamingo is as pink as the sky. A blackbird is as black as the sky. And I am as blue as the sky. We are all the colors of the sky. We are all beautiful." The bluebird liked being blue, but he never bragged again. I really like this story because I like the message about the bragging and how everybody's beautiful in their own way. So the bluebird thought he was the only one that was beautiful, and it turns out all the other animals were beautiful too. I hope you like this story. Keep reading, and I will see you soon. Bye.